Engine oil, they hungry me.
Eh?
Engine oil. I want to drink engine oil. Even if na 1 cup, they hungry me well.
Engine oil?
Engine oil.
How? Are you sure you don't mean olive oil? Groundnut oil?
Or maybe coconut oil, because I have some.
Oil.
No, engine oil. I want engine oil. They hungry me. If I not drink it now, I go faint.
How can you drink it? It's not healthy for you now.
That's a condemned one.
Ah!
The one where they just come out from car new. I want drink
Chris, you can't take that now, please. Just.
It's not healthy for the baby.
Okay, mention something else that you want to take, okay?
Because you cannot drink engine oil. It's not healthy for the baby.
Now they hungry me. If I no see and drink, I go faint.
Let me get more malt.
The malt to not get taste again. Now engine oil I want. Condemn engine oil.
Okay, feel me myself. Adora, this one you've been calling my phone all day. Do you want to call me to glory?
Nnamdi, why haven't you been picking my calls?
It is my phone and I decide how to use it.
Oh, Nnamdi, let me tell you. You can keep ignoring me, but I won't stop calling you until you finally come to your senses.
How dare you talk to me in such condescending manner? Are you mad?
This country, This country will shop you raw.
You are the only son. You have been married for over 5 years now without a child. Yet neither you nor your wife are bothered.
Will you shut up and stop telling me how to run my home?
Look, if that girl is using juju to hold you down in that marriage, I am going to untie you. I will untie you. You don't know me. You don't know me, Jukwese. Nnamdi, Asingi Jukwese.
Hey, Jesus. Bam. Naim. Now the place be this. Hey! Chineke now finally. Okay. Thank God say I come early. Make I kukuma stay here wait. Hi. Hey, Uchim. People know they here.
Adora, can you stop? Don't put this kind of pressure on me. Who told you we're not trying? Do you know how much we have tried?
You are not even showing any signs of seriousness. How heartless can you be? Father and mother are dead, and you are the only son. Do you want our family name to vanish? Nnamdi, just keep fooling yourself. Look at Charles, your best friend. His first child is almost in secondary school, but you don't even have a child yet. What is wrong with you? Is she the only woman in this world? If she can't bear a child for you, why don't you go for another? Get married to someone else.
You know what? I am not going to have this conversation with you. Have a nice day.
Wait oh. You be like saying that the person who own the house na him be this. Hey, she don't come out. I be make I follow am. Make I follow am, at least make she know say I don't come before in case anybody come after me. In fact, make I follow am. Hi! Chineke me. Madam! Hey! Jesus! Madam! Madam! Hey, Uchimo! Hey! 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 Madam! Hey! Chineke nna! Nwanyị egbuona m. Madam! Madam! Hi! Hey, Uchimo! Mba!
Sorry, ma'am. Someone needs your attention. I think she's been following you.
Who is that?
Look at the person at the back.
Hi! Madam! Madam, you dey run, oh! You dey run, oh, maka Chineke! Hey, Usembotu! Suppose comot cap for you. Jesus!
And why are you training me? Do you want to kidnap me or something?
Madam, you never reach like that.
No, what is it?
No verse. You get something where I won't make me and you talk.
Please, I don't have that kind of time, please. I don't have that lot of time. I'm jogging, as you can see.
Madam, you never hear what I want to talk.
Don't follow me again, please. Don't try it again. I beg you.
But madam, we know they fight now. Chineke me. These rich people, they wahala too much. I be make I still follow him, make you know say I'm serious. Obokwanorum police. Down, no go do anything. Make I go wait for him forget. Make I go wait for him forget.
Hello? What are you saying? 39 million naira for what? Please, that land is going for 90 million naira. No addition, no subtraction. I don't get. Why do you keep debating on the price? Do you know how much it took me to acquire those lands? Please, 90 million or nothing, please. I beg you. Yeah, that's fine now. Thank you.
Hi, Jesus. I don't believe say this job I no get am.
Coco baby, my one and only Kopiko. Baby, you see?
Chineke Bogoko, thunder fire you for there. I say make thunder fire you. You dey mad, brother. Bro to learn age. Out. Nonsense. Ekwensu nwoko ocho. Just see as all the fasting and prayer where I do to get this job just go to waste. Just just to go to waste because this useless boy no fit keep him bola one place. Now to they knock up and down, that ain't sabi. Eh? Because if to say you no touch me that night, this my all the prayer and fasting what I do. If I no waste, I forget this job. But because of that useless knacking, the angels who were there for heaven don't send back my prayer request. Make I see you for here again. Make I see your leg for here again. If I no break am, no say no be me. Hey! I no believe I no get this job. Oh. Eh? So what in person go do to make money now? Person go chop. Person go pay rent. So where the money one come from? Hey! I be make I sell my kidney. At least if I sell one, I go manage one. Thank God say I know they drink, so one go do me. Hey! This country hard. This country you hard. Hey, Jesus. Eh? Nah, eh? Oh, Chimo. Just see. As this useless boy just take knocking. Spoil my fasting. Take knocking. Iko. Maybe you remember better. Make I see you for here again. I'm not here.
Hello? Really? They agreed? Oh my God. Oh, good. So we are standing a deal this evening? That's the good news. 300 million naira. Great one. It's a good win for me. Yes. Okay, please, can you just give me some time? I just got back from jogging. Let me freshen up and call you back so we can talk better. Is that all right? Ah, good. All right, I'll call you back. Yes! Baby! That deal I told you about, I just backed it. Baby, 300 million naira. I am so happy! Did I do something wrong? Why are you ignoring me? Baby, I don't understand. Why are you not always happy with my success? I told you about a deal, 300 million, and I just backed it. Trying to break the good news to my husband, and he's ignoring me. Why are you keeping mute on me? Why?
No, really. All you care about is money, money, money. How about being a mother? How about building a home? We are married, but it's as though we are living together as best friends. What's all this?
I thought we have trashed this topic. What has come over here?
Get pregnant and give me a child. You're fertile, for God's sake.
It's just unbelievable, excuse me.
Tonya, you cannot keep evading this conversation. All I'm asking you to do is perform your duties like a married woman.
Oh, really? Perform my duties as a married woman? No, let me ask you. If all I've been doing is nurture the kids and pamper you since I got married to you, how would I have gone to this height? I am not saying I'm not going to give you children, but give me some time. That's what I asked.
Oh, cut that crap! Do you realize I'm an only son? What is wrong with you?
So, fulfilling my dreams has become a problem now, right? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Focus on your family, Tonya.
I understand. I said all they are trying to do is to make me a sit-at-home mom. But let me tell you, it will not work. I will never allow that. Somebody cannot have peace because you want me to have children.
Do anything for my job, as long as money day. I go do anything for my job, as long as money go come. No more fornication, I dey do fasting and prayer. Make I know your story, Papa God, I beg oh. Make you answer my prayer. This poverty done too much. Make you answer my prayer. Me and you now party. Satan go behind me. Carry your bad luck they go. Satan go behind me. Carry your bad luck they go.
Aye. Hi. Oh, God, I don't come again. I don't beg you for inside. I don't still come outside, they beg you again. I beg you now, help your daughter. This thing where you they do, I don't understand them because now come case for you now. Now something where no they no go take anything from you to do now. You, no be you again. You wait, carry koro eyes like this, see, turn water into wine. I go lie for you for wetin you do. Even person wey no sabi walk before, na so you just look in leg, e begin run pass Usain Bolt. Obiabruzi Nkema. This my own na small thing for you. Abeg do am na. If na for that small sin, that small fornication wey I do, na it still dey vex you. Ngwa no vex again. I don close my leg. I no go try am again. Hunger go kill your pikin and e no go good. Say you dey. Your pikin dey suffer. Abeg na. Ha! Shebi you don carry your bad luck come. You don carry your bad luck come. Abeg comot for my comot for my compound abeg.
Who's so? My baby.
Comot if na that baby na him go squeeze your mouth. Abeg begin go because na your way. Anytime where God want do small thing for me, you go carry your bola, bam, come. Then as you come, you go begin touch person up and down. Me too, mumu, I go follow. Abeg, they go.
See as you come, they confess.
That confession, na him go kill you. Abeg.
Let I go. They be like say, you know they enjoy them.
Enjoy getting.
See, waiting carry me come. Good news. Better good news where you dey pray for.
Better be good news.
Yes.
Because now waiting.
Calm down. You don't calm down. May I talk?
No.
You know when I talk, I go.
You know, say okay. So person where you claim say you love now this kind of thing, and you want to, you not be better person.
No
now I know.
No
you
verse,
be better
no
person.
verse. I go tell you. I go that place where they work.
Huh? Uchero, how you take know the place?
I follow you. Because I know say if you ever get that job, you no go tell me the address. You go one day go only you. And me now, as I take love you, I go one come there once they find you. You see? Say make I go find the place by myself.
I don't know say you love me like this. So.
You know love before. I love you. I love you. Well, see, I don't go there, go get secret. Where you go take get the job?
Wetin happen now?
I go meet the gate man. The gate man come give me the expo, the secret where you go do. You go get the job immediately.
Wetin him talk?
Gate man say, if you won't get that job, make you come early by 10. You go see the oga. If you meet the oga will give you the job immediately. But if you come around that time earlier than 10 or maybe after 10. Now the madam you go see, and that woman will give you the work.
You don't finish. No, so for your mind now, you think, say, I believe this nonsense where you talk. I look at you like those who cheap chewing gum girls where they take lies and scatter their head.
Why you no go believe me?
Why I go believe you?
Struggle, why struggle?
I beg you, make I hear word.
Okay, you not believe me?
I don't believe
Hold
anything.
on.
No believe
Okay,
you.
you not even believe I go there.
You no go anywhere. You.
What's in be this?
Now the get man be this so. You are snap picture.
You see him?
Jesus.
Carry am.
Okay, now where evidence is there, I don't believe you.
Something where I even spend money. I dash the guy a trepa, making you statue also.
Kai!
I even spend. That's why I love you. If no be love.
I don't know say you love me like this.
You, my dear.
Hey, thank God though.
Thank God. Wait, why be saying only that place you won't work?
Ha! You know how much then they pay the former cleaner for that place?
How much?
200,000.
That means they generous.
Then they rich, then get money na water for where they dey, so they know. In fact, hi, this news. I know say I go get the job. So what go happen be say you go.
Mo go inside.
Go
no,
do
I
it.
want to explain some things. You see, the expose, I feel still get some.
I beg you, go sit down. See, since I don't know why you want make we go inside, so you go begin touch. The next thing, oronka akwo. I beg go. As you don't bring this news now, I won't take prayer silam. Make I sure say God will go give me the job.
Okay, you see that prayer where you talk, it in my mind. As you dey pray, because of the love where I get for you, make I follow you pray. Even if you want me, I follow you fast. I go follow you fast.
I beg you, no follow me do anything because I don't know where you from they come now. I don't know where you put that yabola before you come here. So no can spoil my prayer for me. They go, make I pray. I beg.
You don't do this.
Ha!
As I dey go now, okay, kiss. What of kiss? Kiss me now, make I dey go.
So if I kiss you finish, I go still take the same mouth to talk to God. All the kena pare chuku. You like komuna chuku akwa. I beg they go your way now. Make I see job with prayer biko.
Small time you come dey change am for person. See something where I can't give you now. We be say you suppose happy. Jump over me, carry me.
No, because now your plan now. Once you bring something home, you carry your bola. Spoil them. I beg they go. It be like say, come. You be weapon fashioned against me now. They see ya. Come on for here, make I sit down with prayer. Hi! But like say you want make I strangle you, Ekwensu. I take even know you, self. Maybe I can see Maru no onya bikon. Hey! Oh, Chimo. Thank God. Hey, God, oh. You do hear before, like say you know hear my prayer. Thank God, oh. Thank God to say you bring this one come. No vex. You see this one, I no go spoil am. I no go do anything. I go fast. I no go break the fast. I no go spoil am. I beg, just give your daughter this one. This job dey me very important because na. I beg, no fornication again. Lie. I don't close leg. Man no go even cross me. Talk more of say you want tell me rubbish. Oh, na promise I dey give you. Just give me this job. Just this job. Ay, inyamalo ay mechagolumu. Hey, God oh.
She called you?
Yes, so I think she still likes you.
No, that's not possible. That ship has sailed. I'm married now, so she should just dump that love on someone else.
The marriage without a child is as good as being single.
Sis, you know you have a way of having me riled up. Why do you keep pushing me to the wall? I don't want to have this conversation.
You must. In fact, it's high time I ask you. Are you living with a transgender?
What?
If you are a gay, why don't you just tell us already? Nnamdi, tell us.
Are you mad? I'm done with this call.
No, I don't get. Your sister just called me a transgender and all you could do is drop the phone?
I don't want any issues now. I just want peace.
No, you can't have peace. It's not possible. Because there's no peace for the wicked. What are you saying? You couldn't even defend me.
So what has she said now that is wrong? No! A woman who is married and fertile and doesn't want to get pregnant. What's the difference between you and a transgender?
Oh, really? Are you actually saying all this to me?
Oh, but that is the truth. You are fertile, but you have refused to procreate.
Why are you playing dumb? We had an agreement.
We had an agreement for 3 years. It's more than 6 years now. Why do you hate children this much?
Please, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Yes, I agreed 3 years. But my work keeps demanding my time. What do you expect me to do? Ignore my job and become your spine pocket?
What are you talking about? Work. You talk as though I don't have enough money to take care of you. You are not married to a poor man. Even if you were confined to a wheelchair today, I have enough money to cater for you.
I need my own money. I have to hustle for my own money. I can't always depend on you. Get it?
I don't think I want to spend the night in this room.
Where do you think you're going?
I need some peace and privacy.
Nnamdi, come back here. Come back here, Nnamdi.
Love don't always take the path you drew. Sometimes it spills into. I know the waiting feels too long. When every moment feels like a song you sung. But love don't quit and hope don't break, even in the quiet. Roots taking shape, you don't have to see it.
Who is that?
What are you even doing? Nnamdi. Nnamdi, how many times have I called you? Nnamdi.
Go to bed. I'm going to sleep here. I want to be left alone.
Nnamdi, open this door. Open this door.
I said I want to be alone.
I don't get. Are you actually planning to sleep here all alone tonight?
I said I will sleep in here.
Nnamdi!
Tonia, I don't want to be disturbed. I will sleep in here peacefully. Go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
Are you like seriously? Open this door. Nnamdi, open this door.
We're building more than a plan. Hold on, little one. Hold on, little time. We're coming for you.
Okay. No problems. No problems. So all of a sudden, not being ready to bear children has become a problem. No problems. And I hope you'll be ready for this problem that you have started. This game that you want to play, we'll play it. No issues. We'll actually play this game. No problems. I'll sleep alone.
They say that maybe not, but they...
Hello guy. I beg Muna they come now, madam don't come out. He just give me key. Yeah, she just give me key, say make her open gate for them the next 2 hours. Yes, and then lock on guy inside. Carry your babe, they come now. Carry your babe, they come. No wahala, no wahala. Maybe I steal. But wait, oh. Why madam go lock Oga inside? Oga commit atrocity, Abina. No concern me, Sha. I can focus on waiting carry me come before they go seize my money. Month done the end.
Hey, Jesus. Bia. I don't know whether you get cross for your ear. I tell you, say that thing where you dey try make we run together, you no go walk. Oh. That thing you want make we run together, no go walk at all. No. You know the year? You dey too stubborn, no.
You see, my love, you see this life, now step by step. Like this now, when we don't start this thing now, we go marry. After we marry, we begin born children. We now see our children. Our children come, we now
God forbid. Chineke kweni hojo. Holy Ghost fire destroy. You the mad. You are who? Ngoma. You wear your middle name na poverty. You won't come spoil my life. And you think I go gree. Ha! You don't know me well, oh. You don't know me well at all.
If you like, insult me, yab me, say anything. I no care. I came to tell you that place where they find work, the gate man just called me. Yes.
Huh? You serious?
Yes. Your ear don't open now. Let I go to behave like say I know they
important. Waiting he talk, oh. No, they do nonsense guy for
he talk say make you begin come house now, saying you got the house.
Esioku!
Never tell where and just call me.
Hey, thank God, oh. Make I begin go now. Make I go prepare. Hey!
Wait.
Thank you.
You only you want prepare. You don't forget saying me and you go there.
You and who? No triable. No just try am. Make we reach there, make them give you the job now because they go look your hand. They go come talk, say your hand is struck past my own. They will give you the job. Abi, you want snatch the job from me?
No, now help I they help you.
No, thank you. The help where you help me, you don't do. Thank you, no help me again. I don't need your help.
Why you talk like this?
They go.
Okay,
make I prepare.
I don't give you this better information. You don't go just like that.
I beg, just leave me.
See, even if na hug, you hug me because I dey try for you. Now love where I love you. I know my person. Yeah, you go at least hug me.
Chai.
I go there happy.
Not true you talk.
Not true.
Yeah, now come make I hug you. The mads. Hey, I don't tell you make you know they disturb me. No come my side again, no, because as you see me and you, we no go fit dey that close where we dey before. You no be my level again. I don't pass your level in Anuya. So I beg they go make I go prepare for my job interview.
I don't pass your level.
Yes.
No. Just because of no.
What can you make?
Where you never even still start the work, oh, I don't pass your level. Me, just hold me.
I don't want to see you for inside here.
See, listen, if you like, slap me. I love the slap that you slap. No behind you slap. I like them.
Jesus!
The time you go to do person like say you no be anybody.
You know well, oh.
They slap person anyhow.
You know well at all. Jesus. Hey! I hope say this thing where you do. You know spoil my prayer. I hope say this thing where you do now. No follow for fornication. Fornication by leaking. Jesus. God, I know approve. You know. Anyway, you they see everything. I know approve. I beg you. I can go prepare for my work.
Hello? Wasuji?
Hello, madam. It be like say the key where you give me now, the wrong key, yo.
What? Jesus Christ.
I dey even hear him dey talk to one of him workers.
And he's meeting with the contractors today.
The black saying don't miss your appointment.
What have you done? I'll be on my way now. This boy will kill me, oh. This boy will kill me, oh. Hi, God. What have I done?
Why this man go? So madam themselves, why ain't go lock him husband for house? Carry key come out.
Tonya, open this door!
Oga, wait, make I take this one.
Ofuji!
Oga, no be your wife or no Ofuji, no Ofuji.
Please open this door, open it!
Oga, the door no dey gree open now.
Go and get the key now, I'm losing contract! Hurry up! Pick your call, Kwano. Pick your call. Ofuji, open now.
Oga, check inside. If you leave the key for bed, I beg. This one no dey gree open.
Get a code of anything to break the door.
Oga, I beg you wait.
Hey, damn. Who is this, Kwano? Eh? Hello? Please tell them to wait. I'm coming. Let them exercise a little more person. Just talk them. Just be doing something. Play so that they will hang on. Ofuji, tell them I'm coming. I'm serious.
Oga, make I check the other key.
Hey! Tonya will make me lose the contract I've been working on for 2 years now. Ofuji! Hey!
Who be that?
Well done.
No be you, Isaac, talk say they come.
Na me.
Problem there.
Hey, problem again. Where problem from come out now? Eh?
Hey! My madam don't come back. Come. They here. Ito. Good afternoon, ma.
What should I tell you when I was leaving this house?
Ma, you been telling me say make I open door in the next 2 hours for Oga.
You are mad. Something is wrong with you.
Sorry,
Open the door for my husband. Tell 30 minutes when I left.
Sorry,
Just pray. Just pray. Where's my key?
No, you there for table for parlor.
So where I go stay? Where I go?
You go there outside. When they need you, I go call you.
No. See, if I dey outside, then fit just come out, enter car, come out. But if I dey inside, at least before then go ask who I be. Then I go come tell them wetin I find come.
Let's say you won't put me for trouble.
I no go put.
Wait, go now.
Wait, no dey. Your blood too hot. I'm gonna take this one whole body. Nothing go happen. I dey tell you. Make I just stay here. You hear?
Sit down. I dey come.
Okay. Aye. Chineke. Hey. You be like say person need help.
How dare you? Drag me off my work. How dare you? How dare you drag me my contract? How dare you?
Jesus.
How dare you? How dare you?
What do you mean by that? You don't see the person for die for here?
What is that? I tell you, say make you sit down.
Okay.
Who is this?
Now the man will get house be this now.
Jesus. My man be this.
You brought her here to kill me in my house?
No, sir.
Hey, whoa.
Sorry, sir.
No verse, oh, I no see him, I no look. No verse, I beg, sorry. Come over here.
Please.
Sorry, sir. No verse.
He brought you to kill me in my house.
No, not being bring me, oh. Now because as I rush in, I no look. I no say na you be the oga, I beg, no verse. I beg.
Get out of my house.
Go now.
Sorry, sir.
Get out of my house!
Sorry, sir. Oh.
They go now. No, they look
Sorry,
and
sir.
they go.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Get out of my house. Wait, fool you. Open this. Where did you bring this? Wait. You should have stayed back and see what I'll do to you. And you. You got any money.
My eyes. The blood, my eyes. Oh. I cannot see with these eyes. Oh. And it will never be well with you. Blind my eyes. I cannot see with my eyes. Oh. I cannot see. Madam, sorry. Hey! Hey! Chineke now. My future madam, wetin you do my future oga wey make am beat you like this? Hey! This man wicked oh. Eziokwu. Mao, you want make we carry you go hospital? Or make I do you small video where you go post for Instagram? Which one? Please take me to the hospital, please. I can see with my eyes. My left eyes. It's hurting me. So how won't take you to hospital? Huh? I pray my car key is inside. Please get me my car key from the sitting room. I can drop this somewhere there, please. Hey, go collect the car key now. Please go get my car key, please. More. Please help me get my car key, I beg you. Hey, Jesus.
Mommy?
But madam, I beg you. I know one make the come out one of my eyes where they come out your own. No. I never married. I beg, at least you dey husband house. Can you just go in there and get my car key? Nobody is touching you again.
Are you guys still here?
Oh, sorry. take am easy for here, make you no fall for this step. Oh. Why? Hi. Madam, you don't get yourself for small now. Okay.
Thank you.
I'm so bad. You get anything where you want make I do for you before I go?
Do you know her very well?
Who be that, madam?
Your friend.
Yes, madam. Her brother and I'm a very good buddy.
Okay. It's okay. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome, ma. I go begin go now.
What is your name?
Madam, my name na Kosi Sochuku Afongwe Lotanna Uchendo.
What's that? What is your name, please?
Now my name I talk now. Kosi Sochuku Afongwe Lotanna Uchendo.
See, I'm not interested in that. Just give me your first name.
Oh, okay. My first name na Kosi Sochuku, but people they call me Kosi.
Kosi, no problems. Can I have your phone number? In case if I need you.
No problem, ma. No problem, ma. Ma beg.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma.
Okay.
Make I dey go now.
It's all right. Thank you.
Love don't always take the path you drew. Sometimes it spills into. I know the waiting feels too.
My God. Now I have lost this contract. What do I do now? Yes, hello? Wait. So they agreed to postpone the meeting? Oh my God. That means I still have a shot at the contract. Yes, I will. Thank you. Okay, I surely will. Thank you very much. Hello? Yes. Okay, right away. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus.
Waiting feels too long. When every moan feels like a song you sung. But love don't quit and hope don't break, even in a quiet. Roots taking shape. You don't have to see it to believe.
The meeting was postponed, so the bidding for the contract did not happen. I still have a shot at it. I'm sorry for what's played.
No, please leave me alone. Please let me be.
I said I'm sorry now.
I just want to be alone. You have done enough already. Look at me. Look at what you did to me. You have given me black eyes. Look at my mouth, swollen mouth. All my body pains. You want to kill me?
You know that is not me. I didn't mean to. It was just anger. Built up anger. That was what happened.
What of anger because I've not given you a child? No, you want to kill me because I've not given you a child.
What is wrong in bearing us children?
You want me to abandon my career and start making children for you? That is your anger. Then you should kill me.
Tonya, why are you unchangeable? Are you still on this, you're not abandoning your career to bear children issue? What are we then doing in this house?
No, insist in beating me. Insist in killing me.
You will have your biko for your black eye. You put another issue.
You're still raising your voice at me. Look at what you're doing. You don't even consider the pains you have given me.
That's why I came to say sorry.
Is that how to say sorry? Is that how to say sorry? Is that how to say sorry? Say it properly.
I have said I'm sorry for what happened earlier. Now let's talk family planning. When are we going to start having children?
Family planning? At the right time.
Another one now. Open black eyes.
Thank me.
Kosi, you go the fight person we won't give you job. Now waiting I send you to go there do.
No, not be like that too. Honestly, I don't know wetin enter me. As I see am dey beat my madam. I don't know when I just begin fight am. You no go blame me now because I no go just stay like this. The watch man dey beat woman. You know good na.
This thing where you talk now is good for your ear. You dey hear yourself. Husband and wife they quarrel. You go there go interfere. What thing they worry you?
But everything no spoil now. Everything no spoil. After all, at the end of the day, madam will collect my number. Even when we go hospital, come back, they shine teeth with me, they laugh with me. You know, she say at least a small hope there.
Make you see as it be and as it go take go. I shall make you get that job.
I don't say I go get.
Your phone they ring. Big call now. You know who they call you.
Hello.
Hello, Kosi. This is the woman you helped earlier today.
Hello, my future madam. Oh, my future madam. Oh. Hey.
Just please calm down. First, I want to say a big thank you for your help today. Secondly, I want you to report in my house as early as 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. I don't know if that will work for you.
Hey, no wahala. I go even come before that time. Chai! Thank you so much, ma. Now God na go bless you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Alright, see you tomorrow then.
Okay, ma. Thank ma. God bless you, ma. Hey!
Do anything for my job, as long as money there. I go do anything for my job, as long as money go come. No more fornication. I dey do fasting and prayer.
Jesus, oh.
Waiting be Jesus. Next time put them for speaker. May I dey hear?
Hey, God, now you do this one. Oh. You see this life? You no go fit guess how you fit be. See me where they think say now Oga go like me, give me work. Now madam, now she can like me. Hey!
Even now?
You don't see am? I don't get job now. Now be say I go pay my rent. Arrange my life. Oh. Hey! Level don't change you. Level don't change. Jesus!
So you know fit appreciate me.
Now. Why you they talk like this?
No, this is where you talk now. I hear thank you for your mind. You appreciate me.
But you be my personal person now. You know. Now because I say make we start to the up way. Now I make you for your mind. Now you think say I don't forget you.
But you know say I like you well. Eh?
See mouth. I like you well. With your mouth where they like buckets. Person when no get money they love. I don't understand you. Eh? Woman they carry wahala. Then you go they fight poverty. They fight woman wahala. It's not too much like that.
See. Make we just
I know what you want.
Come.
You said I know what you want.
Come.
You do like something.
You,
but
eh?
you, I know say you be better person.
Hey.
Nga, what is this?
Hey, kiss.
Repent and give your life to Christ. Hey! Man, let's see you for here. Hey, Chineko! Yeah, man, mere mo di kandere chimakukoye.
If to say I get bad spirit now, maybe I go spoil this job, but I no go spoil them. I love you. If you like, shut my mouth. one day I go still continue from where I stop. And because I dey miss am, if not, nonsense. We do person like say, you know get it. I dey wait for you.
I go do anything for my job, as long as money dey. I go do anything for my job, as long as money go come. No more fornication. I dey do fasting and prayer. Make I know you.
I don't get. What are you doing here? Are you going to leave me all alone in that room with a black eye and a swollen mouth?
Since you have decided not to give us a child, I have chosen not to sleep with you again since it's an exercise in futility. There is no point.
What's that? What are you saying? Please get up. Let's go to the room, Joe. What kind of talk is that?
Which room? I said I'm not going anywhere. As for your eyes, I'll give you money to take care of. Or rather, I'll take you to the hospital tomorrow to fix that, but I'm not going anywhere with you.
Nandi, we are a couple. Please, let's just go to our room and sleep and stop this drama you're doing. Let's go.
When you're done talking, you just kindly go to your room. Okay.
What do you think you're doing? Get up, Joe.
Donia, please let me rest. Go. Donia, please. I don't want any drama. Let me sleep.
But love don't quit, and hope don't break, even in a quiet. Roots taking shape. You don't have to see it to believe it's true.
What actually happened? What has my husband become? He has never behaved this way towards me before. What happened now? His sister's pressure. His sister's pressure has gotten into him. He has taken over him. But how? But how can he expect me to bear children at this peak of my career? How can? Yes, I know. I know age is no longer on our side. But I've frozen my egg and he knows. I can bear children anytime I wish to. Please, my body should just stop me. There's nothing I can do about this. I think it's better you continue beating me because I'm not gonna do this.
But love don't quit, and hope don't break, even in a quiet. Roots taking shape. I go do anything for my job, as long as money dey. I go do anything for my job, as long as money go come. No more fornication. I dey do fasting and prayer. Make I know your story, Papa God, I beg oh. Make you answer my prayer. This poverty done too much. Make you answer my prayer.
beg na.
My baby, my baby.
No just carry your reggae spoil my blues this morning. Now wetin be all this one again?
Wait, oh. You don't dey form working class babe for me.
I know they follow you play this morning. No.
I came to wish you good luck. Simple.
Wait till you talk. Good luck. Wait, oh. So between me and you now, who need good luck pass? You know the CC levels don't change. Now you need the luck pass, so you better keep your luck to yourself. No, they share them up and down because you go need them.
Well, whatever you tell me, I go still swallow because of the likeness I get for you. I buy things for you. I buy body spray and perfume for you. See,
lie.
You know all these rich people. They like make you they smell good wedding day. I no talk say you they smell low, but if you they smell well, they appreciate them. That's why I buy them. See now.
You they smell well, oh.
Yes. You like them?
I love them.
Thank God say you like them.
You know, say you, you be correct guy. Everything about you, they very okay. Now just this money where you no get. Ngwano for the perfume. Thank you very much. See me hoop. They go work late. I beg. Come on for my friend.
What you do like this now? I still get other things here for you.
I don't need them. That's bread. Chop them. You need the bread. Pass me. I don't need them.
Help
me open gate. Make I go for here. Open this gate. Make I go. You know what? I think say na 2 days. I don't need the bread. Now you.
So, Kosi,
Ma,
your duty is simple. It's just washing and cleaning. Since it's just my husband and I in this house, I can take care of the cooking myself.
Then that one no be problem now. Hey, cleaning. Mama, I sabi clean. I dey clean. I start to dey clean from my mama belle. Cause the washing. I dey wash anything washable. As today now, I feel wash you. Yeah, I'm sago.
What did you just say?
No verse, man. I joke. I be one crack, but it be like say you know funny. No verse.
It's like this job doesn't mean anything to you.
Hey, madam, no talk that one. I need that job. No verse. I no go joke again. Lie. I no fit try am again.
Please take your job serious.
Yes, ma.
Thank you.
Yes, ma. Welcome, sir.
Wait. Is this not the girl from the other day that attacked me while we were having issues? What is she doing in my house?
Yes, she interfered because she couldn't stand seeing a man beating up her fellow woman. Yes. And please, for your information, she has come to stay. She'll be working with us now and she's staying here with us.
By the time I'm back to this living room, I don't want to see this thing in my house.
Hey! Perfume Isaac memewa. I for talk am say that perfume na bad luck perfume. Oh.
You know you're joking. This woman have come to stay. She's not leaving this house. She's staying with us. And there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Oh, you now challenge me in this house. Okay then. We shall know who is the man of the house.
My mind be the time you make I no spray that perfume. I for no spray that perfume. Oh.
Say, Kosi.
Ma?
You don't need to worry. You have come to stay. Yes.
Hey. Thank you so much.
You are here with us, okay?
Thank you, ma.
Thank
you.
Please, wait for me outside. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Namdi, what is going on? Since your sister called about this child thing, we have not got peace in this house. What's happening?
You want me to employ somebody who attacked me? How do you expect her to respect me?
Oh, is that? And since when has a woman standing up for a fellow woman become a problem?
Since you planned to employ the very woman who attacked me.
Can you just stop being this dramatic?
Oh, I'm being dramatic.
Yes, we are employing her. Definitely she will respect you.
I don't want her in my house, and that's final. Oh, really? You're going to go against me now? Okay, go ahead. Because that's the only thing you know how to do good.
What's happening to us? This is not the husband I got married to.
How can I be the husband you got married to when you have refused to give us a child? Tell me, who is being unfair here? You are fertile, yet you refuse to conceive. What's going on here? If I go out and do something stupid now, what justification would you have to reprimand me?
Can you just calm down? I have a plan.
What plan?
I'll tell you.
You are mad. You are really sick in the head. What? Are you listening to yourself?
Why are you paranoid? Is there a problem for a woman to go for surrogacy? Like, must I be the one to carry the child?
Why won't you carry your child? You are a woman who is fertile. Why can't you take a break from work and bear your own child, Bikonu?
I cannot. I have worked so hard to acquire everything I got from that job. If I put a pause on it, I lose everything. So please, let's do this and forget about this. I cannot lose my job. I cannot stop.
I won't be part of that rubbish. And in your own interest, you will get pregnant and give us a child.
Hey. Chiro, this woman no one carry belle for her husband. Why na? Womb be odokara doka. He womb bu spoil. Yeah, nante man no futa. I beg.
Kosi.
Ma. Madam, and you get what I want to ask you. You know, say, people they talk say, onya juju ahefu uzo. You mean say person where they too ask question, no they too misroad. Eh? See, as you tall, you yellow, fine, get body, get money, you get everything. So why you no one born for your husband?
What did you just ask me?
I say, why you no one born for your husband? Jesus! But Jesus!
To open your mouth and ask me that rubbish again, you won't like me. What rubbish?
Hi, Jesus, wanye buamanya. Hi, oh, hi, oh, Kosi so. Wetin dey worry you na? Wetin dey worry you? Eh? Why you go carry your mouth to chook for something wey no suppose concern you? Now they don't woos you better slap oh. Go ganya on top job where I never even do reach 2 hours. Job where I never even chop salary. They don't slap me on top am. Hey, Arube Haro, I'm abonora.
Kosi!
Ma.
What are you doing here? Now, to the kitchen.
Yes. Hey, beg oh. God, I beg oh, if you get as I take offend you, forgive me. I beg, no verse for me. Eh? This job where I pray, I fast, close speckles, say no lie, I no go do. Now I don't finally get the job, my mouth will no gree close. My mouth will just want put me for trouble. I beg oh, God, help me. Even if na invisible sellotape, take am, gum the mouth, so I beg, I no want enter wahala, because hey, she don't come, wetin I go dey do? She don't. Madam, you see that thing why I ask you? You no suppose the verse so. See, make I tell you. You know, children they give headache. Even good as you no want children, then they give headache. That kind of headache where they hammer person for front head and back head. See me, madam. Me, I no get children. So it means say me and you did the same boat. I don't know.
Hold on. What kind of person are you? Are you still talking about this topic?
No verse. I know they ask again.
Are you sure you want us to do this?
Please, my love. Just this once. One child and then we'll take over. Please, I promise.
Is that why you withheld the documents?
It is what it is.
You said you want us to do it with the housemaid.
Yes. You know, the house help is not that smart. She will gladly accept to do it. And she won't spill it out. Unlike other girls out there, they will want everybody to know about it. That won't be good for us. Please. Please.
It's okay. We'll give it a try.
Yes. Thank you. You're just the best. Thank you, darling.
Jesus. Brother Jesus. Madam, what do you talk?
Calm down.
Chineke.
I am going to reward you handsomely. I promise.
Hey! Madam. Okay, so because you never there ready to born for your husband, you now want me, where your husband they never marry you, to go open leg for him. Wow! Then I go come carry belly. Then when I carry and finish, born him. You go collect them. Then you go pay me. I go begin go.
Kosi, it's not what you think. It's not what you think.
Hey! Madam. To God who made me. You see that first day where I see you, I know saying a sin on I ain't fool your head. Okay. So I don't understand. You want make I born, get belly, born, then when I go pursue me come off from the house. My pikin no go follow me go.
What I want us to do is surrogacy. I don't know if you have heard about that before.
I know do. Ha! I know say I did desperate for work. I know that one very well. No be this kind one. No be this kind one.
It is called surrogacy. I mean, Kosi, you haven't heard about that?
I bind you. I cast you. I send you into the bottomless pit. You see that pit 10 billion years ago, you never reach ground. You! Ha! Chineke ekweni hojo. Who is that demon where they speak from inside their body? Tell them say you no see me. Hey! He that is in me is greater than he that is in you. That demon that is speaking through you. Chukwamankwe, una don't see me at all.
See, all these rich people, wetin remain and make them bribe God? Which one be say they won't make you carry their pikin?
And so she tell you. So she tell me.
Her womb no good.
For where over good they worry her womb. Her womb they very good.
So now why you no one carry your own pikin?
Maybe she no wan leave work or carry belle na. Maybe that 9 months go spoil things for her.
This thing no be risking they take for a marriage.
No be if I agree do am. Because I still dey think am. I want to go carry belle for man wey never marry me. God I beg o.
Oh, wait oh. If you do something for your head, like maybe another man now do something for your head, you go gree leave me.
I beg. No just carry that one come. No be wetin we dey talk about now.
No be your phone, Daddy. Pick your call now.
No, na madam. Na madam they come here and I no want to talk to her. That woman they very evil.
That is the most important thing. Just pick am. No waiting you want talk. Just pick am first. Just pick am first.
Hello.
Put am for loudspeaker.
Hello, madam. Why you dey call me? I no understand. Because I sure say I no leave anything for your house. No, leave me oh. No, they call me oh.
No. Please. Just calm down, okay? Calm down. Please, I want you to do me a favor. Find out what surrogate means. You can ask a friend. You can Google it. Just make a research. Please, I beg you. See, you're not going to give birth for my husband with your egg. Yes. You're just going to be like a container that will carry my egg and that's my husband's sperm in your belly. Just to bear us the children. No, the baby is just going to be in your belly until the day of birth. And you just put to bed. That's all. Please, I beg you. Try to consider it. See, I am going to give you 6 million naira. I give you 3 million to start. After birth, I will give you 3 million. Please.
Talk, madam. We are interested. She's okay. No mind. She's very okay with the waiting you just talk now. Let's talk business, man.
Yeah, you dey mad.
Shut up.
Wetin dey worry you?
For your life, you don't ever see 6 million for your generation. Madam, we dey okay with them, ma.
Who is this?
My name is Isaac. I been brother. So we go. Let's talk business, yeah. God bless you. Cut them. Cut them. Hey! Better opportunity now you won't lose. You know they hear 6 million?
You sure say you know what you dey talk so?
No be womb. you go suffer get this one. Not because Soro Besi we in talk. Make we do so the thing now. Ha! I better go. Even talk say somebody no go touch you.
God. Please let this happen already. Please. Oh, goodness. I have a meeting. Oh, goodness.
You sure say you know what you dey talk so?
Wait. I don't read about am. See, this surrogacy now, wetin they need na your womb. Just your womb. They go carry the pikin put for your belly. You go carry the belly for the man. You no go even touch you. See am now. I don't read them. You no go even see your pants. See am. You go come. You see this thing, we fit even tell them. May they increase the money to 8 million or 10 million.
Hey.
Na better business.
That one no go bad though. You no bad at all.
Shebi?
But the man no go sleep with me.
He no go touch you, no go see your pants.
Okay, no problem. Na dey game.
You dey?
Na dey game. That one no be wahala. Go do am.
Kasi kaka. My cut na that's my share. 1 million.
Rijuo nsiono. You see, your hand no go touch my money. Oh. Lie, your hand no fit touch my money.
Everything you go argue, you no get conscience. You no go give me eye waste. In fact, this business na me and you start na me. In fact, you no go give me share.
Eye waste. No, na your eye they go take carry the pikin na. No, you for bring your eye, make them take carry the baby now. You go carry the baby for your eye for 9 months. Abeg go, nothing concern you for inside the money, oga. Forget that thing where you dey talk.
Money will never come. You don't dey claim full ownership with greed and.
Yes, and I go claim am with faith, and in go manifest whether devil like am or not.
Amen. Just get am first. No problem. Since na so your heart be. Come on, just go out of 6. Come on 1. You know fit spare for me. 300,000. My baby 150.
You know film no man no ijiji bero no.
20K.
So where I go?
Right hand there. Sign.
But I no get the signature. I go sign. I go write
Put your name.
Okay.
You do am well.
No, like this.
You don't do.
Take it one day like I no get signature.
You all will abide by the laws of this contract. I'll see you soon. All right, have a nice day.
I wan ask you, this is surrogacy thing where una dey talk. How I wan take do am? I go drink am abi I go lick am?
Eh? Hey. Where did you say you got her from? She doesn't even know the meaning of surrogacy and you want her to carry my child. Tonya! No.
Kosi. Really?
Okay, person. Which one be say you go drink am? Surrogacy resemble papa being a custard for your eye.
I just want to know, Nana, I make I ask. Wetin be your own now?
Okay, Kosi. You see, the insemination is going to take place at the hospital. Let me tell you something. You are neither going to sleep with my husband or my husband sleep with you. Okay?
You don't tell me that one. Now I make I ask you this question where I ask. Because if I no go sleep with him to get belle, how I want take do am? Then they packet am for sachet, emezi igberi akati. Abi you go lick am like ice cream. How I want take enter my body, now I want know.
Hey, I guess you are the smart one.
Yes, I am.
I will need you to please educate her more on this. Okay?
Yes, I will continue. I've been doing that.
And Kosi, before the end of today, you will receive your 3 million.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
You will be safe. Okay? Nothing will happen to you. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. All right. Let me get you guys something to drink. Is that okay?
Oh, nice.
Hey, you wanna see you like this now? I don't become millionaire.
I tell
just
you.
Because I want carry picking for person.
I tell you now. Better cash out.
I dey tell you. Hey! If to say I no waste my talent, they do this thing since. You know how much I for don't make now?
I dey tell you. You no come grey. Shebi you don't see him now. Eh? This is a very big opportunity. Imagine, before today finish, you become millionaire.
I go just wire small money to my mama. I go turn up about my flavor.
Yes.
She go come no say she want better pikin. Hey! Check go there. If I do this thing now for 10 people, I go just go buy house now. And then this kind of house now I go buy. Magaji.
Kusiso, what did they worry you? If you continue like that, can't they use and do business? Where you go can't get time, get your own picking?
Why I go begin to think of that one now where her husband never come? Eh?
Who I be to you?
See this one. Now you know who you be, who you be. You know fit answer am, but you want make I answer am. I beg you leave me because now money now they talk about now. And if you want to talk to me now, they shape your mouth to na millionaire. Millionaires now they talk to now. Me and you know the same level. They hear me.
They calm down now. The money never even come.
Jesus! This is good. Life is good.
Okay.
Sweetheart. Come on. What is the matter?
I'm fine. I just needed to leave that place.
I know. Your face betrays you. See, I know you are mad at me. Please, let's not do this right now, please.
You know I was never in support of that idea. You know that very well. Honestly, if not that I've promised my mother I would never get a divorce, I would have just walked away.
Oh really?
Yes. I mean, which man would be comfortable with another woman carrying his child when there's nothing wrong with his wife's womb?
But we can't just keep doing this again and again. Can you just stop?
Of course, I'm concerned. Sometimes I wonder if you really do love me.
No, not again, sweetheart. You know I love you with all my heart. I do. Okay, let me ask you a question. Let's say I am not rich. let's say I'm not a career woman. How do we get the collateral we're going to deposit for you to get the money you want? Now answer me. See, sometimes you give us something to get something. So please, can we just stop this? I know you're mad at me. Yes, I understand. But we don't need to do this right now. Not now. Please.
Love don't always take the path you drew. Sometimes it spills into. I know the waiting feels too long.
So this is the part I don't like about this.
And every moment feels like a song you sing.
No way.
But love don't quit and hope don't break, even in a choir.
Chris, are you good?
Yes.
Chris, you okay? Chris. Are you sure you're okay?
I know they're okay. I know they're okay. Oh. Like I said, this is what happened for my belly. They poison me. Only me fever. Only me headache. Only me malaria. My body they hot inside the cold.
I think she needs some rest. Let's take her to the bedroom.
Can you just get up?
Just get up. Get up.
I don't get strength.
No, manage.
Please.
Ay, God.
Please now.
Manage.
Please get up.
No, Kimo.
I don't know how this thing works. I don't know what's wrong with her.
I don't do what you wanna ask me, make I do. Check am.
It worked! She's pregnant! Yes! Yes! Gosi. Thank you so much. You don't know what joy you have brought into our lives. See, let me just ask you something. Just one thing I'll ask of you. Take very good care of yourself and this pregnancy. And anything you want in this life, I will do it for you. Oh? Please.
Okay, sir.
We can trust you, Abi.
No wahala. I deal with you, Kankpe. You don't get anything to fear.
Thank you.
I just, this sick, why they sick? Now I'm not too like...
Don't worry, I will take you to the hospital or I'll get the doctor to come and take care of you. I will take care of your health. Don't fall sick, you know. Go.
Okay? You'll be fine.
Thank you. Manu. Thank you.
Father.
Dreaming of you, heartbeat, beating for you, heartbeat.
Mom, you're here.
Yes. I came to see you and promise that this time around you will take good care of me as my father.
As your father,
I am coming as your daughter.
Whether you are coming as my mother or father or daughter, you know I always take care of you. Wait, Mama. I thought you were dead.
I can never die. I'm always around you. But this time around, I am coming to stay for you to see me face to face. I will always be here for you.
Give me a hug, Mom. You know I will always take good care of you, eh?
And I told you I will always be here for you.
I believe you, Mom. Not to worry. While you're at this cleaning, let me get you some refreshments. Yes.
Okay.
I'm coming.
I'm waiting. Papa.
Jeez, what's a dream? She says she's coming again. Wow! That means the baby in Kosi Sochuku's womb is female.
Are you okay?
Yes, babe. I just had a dream. Babe, first thing tomorrow morning we're going to the hospital to determine the gender of the baby in Kosi's womb.
And where are all this coming from, my love?
My mother came to me in the dream and told me she's coming again.
Baby, you and superstitious belief.
No, believe me, babe. That baby in her womb is my mother reincarnated. I'm serious. Please.
Okay. Tomorrow morning then.
Good.
Please, I will be having a list start with my investors. Can I sleep now?
Oh, no problem. Go ahead. Yes! That is my mother. Her name. Nemo. Ezimo Nemo. No. Nemo. Name no na focus so. Chuku ndo.
Love don't always take the path you choose. Sometimes it spills into.
Kosi, please get me a glass of water. Thank you.
When every morn feels like a song you've sung, but love don't quit and hold.
I already told them that. No problem, sister. Mama said she is coming back to me. I was surprised. You know how you see somebody and then
I'll call you back. Oh?
Sorry, I'll call you back, sister.
No,
okay?
that's my husband.
All right. Lucy, wait. Where are you going with that? Who sent you?
Madam say water the hungry.
Will you take that back into the kitchen?
I don't get. What are you trying to do?
You are not able to carry a child and you want to stress the very person that has volunteered to carry a baby for us? Take that into the house!
Come on, stop there. Are you mad?
Kosi, I am the man of this house and I order you to take that water back into the kitchen.
And I order you to bring that water to me. I am the one paying your salary. Don't step on it.
Now waiting now. Ogenidi. When I want finish me, in fact, I not do again. Madam, if water they hungry you, go kitchen, go collect water.
Let this be the last time you stress her in this house. If you want to do anything in this house, do it yourself.
What are you doing? Nanki!
Now listen to me. I do not want you to pick as much as a pin in this house. No chores, no stress. Just take care of yourself and the baby in your womb. Okay? I will not have a woman who could not conceive command you who can. Have you heard me?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Any day I see you running errands in this house, you will forfeit your balance.
Hey, Chineke ekweni ihe ọjọọ. Hey, Mbakwa, hi, no be my balance now. Balance way I don't plan as I want take investor mass sharp Igbo gear.
I trust
Mbao.
you. Do you even have my number?
No, sir.
Give me your phone now.
Okay,
Anytime you have any issue, you want anything, let me know.
Okay,
Just
sir.
take care of yourself and don't stress yourself. You know go?
Yes, sir.
Good. How much is your balance? 3 million, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will add 2 million naira to it.
Hey! You crazy Oku? Hey! Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. You get any...
Say it now.
You get anything again where I feel do, we go make you add maybe 1 million or even 2, I no go mind on top again.
It's like you don't know your oga. You know what? Just take very good care of yourself and that baby in your womb. And I'll surprise you.
Hey! Say no more.
Watch me.
Oga, say no more!
Promise me.
Na promise. Say no more. I don't take care of and finish.
Problem.
Thank you so much, sir.
Let me go upstairs and freshen up. You know go?
Okay, sir.
Why yo?
Oh, sir. Hey!
Love don't always take the path you drew. Sometimes it spills into. I know the waiting feels too long. When every moment feels like a song you sung.
Jesus! Hey! Hey! Manachero, odu kama adana mugu. As I just tell him 1 million or 2. Ukwe down. Hey! I for increase and small. Maybe 3 or 4. In short, obvious, I go try my luck. Manankanji, they go do Kenji. Hey! Hey, Uchim. Hey!
Taking shape, you don't have to see it to believe it's true.
What is going on? What do I call this? The very local girl I brought into this house, who was never supposed to catch my husband's attention. The same thing I was scared of is happening right now in my house. Ever since my husband had that dream, everything changed. What do I do now? No, I can't let this happen. I cannot stand here and let soap foam into my eyes. I cannot. I will have to act.
Chai. This life will get as he do. Just imagine. When I mentally true. Wait, so just because I carry person picking for him, they want to take millions, stone my head. Actually, the millions are more missy. First of all, they knock me 6 million. Like say that one no do them. Then knock me another 2 million join them. Then the next thing they come promise me say, then go surprise me. You know what in the surprise be now? Now another million no kwa? Yeah, na cause it be millions. Chai! This life good oh. Oh, Chimo. Okay. So, wetin I go do now? Wetin I go do? In short, wetin I go chop? We go make this pikin dey very okay. I go chop everything. I go chop everything after all, money day. I go chop everything after all, money day. I go chop vegetable. I go chop fruits. Anything wey just hungry me, I go chop am. Oh, one at all. This word is sweet, yo. My own done better. Make I even call this were Isaac. We no get money. We no get money. Chai, you see this life? The way this thing they go now, it be like say last. Let me go help in life. Let me go help in life. For in mind did not know say this kind of thing fit happen. Make I laugh and smile.
What is it?
Oga, I beg you come my room now. Hunger they wire me.
Which one is come your room, your belly they bite you? If you're hungry, get into the kitchen and fix yourself something now.
But Oga, now you talk say anytime why they hungry, make I call you. You be like say you don't forget say na your mama na him might carry for my belly like this so.
Oh. Okay, what do you want to eat?
I want boiled and fried plantain way born well.
Huh?
Boiled and fried plantain way born well.
Boiled and fried plantain that is burnt.
First of all, you go cook am. When you cook am finish, you go come begin fry am. As you dey fry am, you go leave am make e burn well.
Wow.
Abeg go. Now wetin dey hungry me be that.
Okay, I'm coming. I'll come and fix it.
Okay. Oga abeg. You get toothpaste. Toothpaste they hungry me. I don't chop the one where did this room finish.
Toothpaste? You want my unborn child to lick toothpaste?
Not because I dey hungry now. I dey hungry. But if you no want make your pikin chop toothpaste, just hurry, bring that food for me, make I chop.
Listen, Kosi, don't you dare lick any toothpaste in this. Are you okay? I said I'm coming to fix you what you want to eat.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You say it's boiled yam and plantain that is boiled plantain that is burnt.
Yes, way born, well. No forget that part too.
Which one is burnt? One is boiled fried plantain that is burnt. By Tuimabani.
Honey.
Honey? Honey.
Kosi.
Madam.
What are you doing here about this time of the night? Are you not supposed to be sleeping in your room?
Honestly, I know now my body they do me. It's just there like say my body no be my own again. Hunger just they wound me. Hunger. I dey hungry. In fact, as I dey here, it dey me like say make I begin chop your wall. It's wall they hungry me to chop. Wall, I want chop wall.
But you shouldn't be here. If you are hungry, you go to the kitchen and make something for yourself. And then go and sleep.
Oga, they fry plantain for me.
I didn't hear you. What did you just say?
I say Oga, they fry plantain for me, make I chop.
You mean my husband left our room just to come make plantain for you at this time of the night?
By the special grace of God.
I doubt. I will have to find out.
Okay. I don't understand why you did doubt. But you know, say Oga na very intentional man. He sabi take care of him thing well. Okay, since you want go check now. And when you reach that kitchen, tell and say make you add more egg for that egg way they do. Because now, no be the way egg they hungry me when I tell them before. Now they hungry me now. The egg way they hungry me past the plantain. Then as you they come out when you see finish, bring me cold water here. Because the way this baby just they come, Oga play football because this baby leg is strong. He don't take leg wound my belly finish. Aye, he on abano if you reach there too, if cold more today for fridge for that kitchen, bring for me. Make I drink. After all, na pikin where you know fit carry, na I carry. Enokwa.
Tonya, what's the meaning of this?
Since your hobby now is to go there and serve another woman who is not your wife, it's my turn. I want you to serve me. Take me to the bed and ask me what I want.
Tonya, she's carrying her baby.
And so? No, so? Who cares? So now you can now go to the kitchen, make food for her. Anyways, I'm craving.
What?
Yes, I want to eat albino goat meat. You garnish it with egusi soup and groundnut stew. That is what I want to eat. If you don't find it this night, I will be trouble in this hustle. You must give it to me.
You must be joking. Tonya, please, I'm tired.
You think I'm joking? No, I'm not joking, no. I am not.
Are you listening to yourself?
Yes,
albino goat meat.
Yes, that's what I want to eat. You go and find it. Albino goat meat. Garnish it with egusi soup and groundnut stew. That is what I want to eat.
Tonya,
come and serve me.
I've been in the kitchen almost all night. I woke up in the middle of the night to prepare something for Kosi. So
Did
now
I
that
send
I am
you?
done to rest, you are disturbing me.
Did I
Let me
send
rest.
You're not resting. Please go and make my own food. Albino goat meat, please. Very important.
Okay, tomorrow morning
I'll
go and look
please,
for
don't look for my trouble. Please.
Tomorrow morning I'll go and look for albino goat now.
I want to eat this night. Albino goat meat. Egusi soup and garnish we cannot stew. Please. No, you must quick. You must quick.
Okay, another thing don't they hungry me.
What thing again? They hungry you go see. I just finished.
Come back here.
The part you drew, sometimes it spills into. I know the waiting feels too long, when every moment feels like a song you sung. But love don't quit and hope don't break, even in a quiet. Roots taking shape, you don't have to see it to believe it's true. Just a little heartbeat, dreaming of you, heartbeat, beating for you, heartbeat. There's a little heartbeat, dreaming of you, heartbeat, beating for you. So wipe those tears, take my hand. We're building more than a house, we're building more than a plan. So wipe those tears, take my hand. We're building more than a house, we're building more than a plan. Hold on, little one, hold on, little time, we're coming for you. Hold on, little one, hold on a little while, we're coming for you.
What's going on? I don't get. What is going on? What is happening in my house? Is my house help trying to snatch my husband away from me? Just because he said that his mother is going to reincarnate in our baby? I don't just understand what's going on. Am I seeing well? Am I becoming dumb? I don't get it. Am I going crazy? Because I don't. Okay. I think I know what to do.
Hi. This thing why they do it, like say my pikin no too like am.
Why not? Is the baby complaining?
They complain no because the smell they do me like say I want vomit.
This kind of time now when they don't burn and I go jump past.
Not true because the way I take the shop this baby fit come out to chop past everybody.
Because you just chop everything where you see. Sorry.
But it's good now. At least it make it day heads.
Yes.
Do you fit help me just cut them?
Thank you.
How many pieces?
Just the cut. If you reach, I go tell you.
Okay.
And when you finish, you get as this baby they do me in my back. Just small massage.
Not be when I finish now. Let me leave it and do it first.
No, when you finish.
They're
okay.
Are you sure you can endure till I finish cutting the tomatoes?
Now small, the baby heavy.
Don't worry.
What happened? Why should they vex now?
I wonder.
The food where we they cook, Sebin go follow chopper.
Go do the drama. Sorry, 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 you here, ba?
Thank you.
You do okay?
Oh, yeah, now. Thank you, sir.
You want me to wash any other?
No, this one now. I go just hurry.
Okay.
About you, Jew. Sometimes it spills into. I know the waiting feels too long. When every moan feels like a song you sung. But love don't quit and hope don't break, even in a quiet. Roots taking shape. You don't have to see it to believe it's true. Just a little heartbeat, dreaming of you. Heartbeat, beating for you. Heartbeat. There's a little heartbeat, dreaming of you. Heartbeat, but love don't quit and hope don't break, even in a quiet. Roots taking shape.
Oga, down.
Here?
Come up.
Here.
Now that place. Rubber.
I'm on it now.
Oga, you don't miss the place now.
Which place again?
Oh, Oga, you don't understand. I beg you do this thing. No.
Namdi. Babe. Namdi, what's going on there?
Rubber well. Go the other side. My nyash side. Hold that nyash. Hold on well. Rubber. Hey, Oga, your hand is too much. Rubber.
What are you talking? Who is rubbing your nyash? What are you talking about?
Oga, no they talk like that. You know, no say woman we get belly nyash the pen. I beg you, rubber well. Rubber.
So you are now the one massaging her waist, eh?
Tonya, please go back to bed, please. I beg you.
Oga, if Madame the verse, may she come carry this belly. No, say it is I go die just because say una they pay me to carry belly. I beg go rub this thing well.
I'm here rubbing it now.
Now open this door. I will break this door.
Break it, Tonya, break it.
See, if this woman, if your wife is the verse, I say may she come carry this belly because it's not easy. If to say I know say na so this thing there for no green.
No.
Oga, if you come out here, go open any door, I go come out this belly.
No, because it has not got into that now. Okwamu never na massage your leg. You see Mbagote na nyash.
See, let me tell you something, eh? See that's your waist. That is what will kill you in this house. I promise you that.
Oga Roban well. Hey! Oga Ijia. Oga ngwa hold the nyash. Because you know. Hey, Oga Roban! Roban well, Oga Buomo.
Yeah.
Oga don't kill me, my nyash don't suffer for Oga hand, Roban, hey,
Side that.
Yes, side that. The other side.
Okay, no problems. We shall see.
Oga, here? Oga, too much. Oga, you too much. Oga, you hand too much.
They say that maybe not.
Thank you for taking good care of Kosi, son. I love the way you do. Thank you.
It's fine. And I'm sorry for allowing you to do everything before now.
I had no choice. I had to do what I had to do.
I'm here now. And you know, it's been long we did.
You're a bad girl.
Come here.
We say be still because love already wrote our story, and we're just waiting to see the whole.
Oga, welcome.
Kosi, how is the baby?
Baby there.
This time you did not go to work.
No. I decided to stay at home and take care of Kosi. And then make my husband happy.
That's so thoughtful of you. Come here, baby.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. Kosi, hope you're good. You're doing great.
I do, can't wait. Maybe you see as I just they do my Netflix and chill.
I can see. It's all good. Are you okay? Babe. Has she been feeling sick?
Nothing to do, Amo. Nothing to do, Amo.
Babe, are you sure you're okay?
I tell nothing. I know nothing to do, huh? You know, so like this, my own take start. But me, I sure say na wetin she eat, na in the turn her belly.
Yes. I think I ate something I'm allergic to.
In that case, go and rest now. Why are you stressing yourself?
No, I still have a lot of things to do. I have some mails to send out, baby.
Are you sure you're strong enough? Go and rest. You can do all of those later.
I said I'm fine. I'm fine. I'll take care of myself. I'm fine, really. Trust me.
Yes.
Trust me.
It's okay then. I'll be upstairs.
Oga, I beg, no verse.
Any problem?
You hold your car key for there.
Yes, it's in my pocket.
Engine oil, they hungry me.
Eh?
Engine oil. I want to drink engine oil. Even if na one cup, they hungry me well.
Engine oil?
Engine oil.
How? Are you sure you don't mean olive oil? Groundnut oil?
Or maybe coconut oil, because I have some.
No, engine oil. I want engine oil. They hungry me. If I don't drink it now, I go faint.
How can you drink it? It's not healthy for you now.
That's a condemned one. The one where they just come out from car new. I want to drink it.
Chris, you can't take that now, please. Just.
It's not healthy for the baby.
Okay, mention something else that you want to take, okay?
Because you cannot drink engine oil. It's not healthy for the baby.
Now they hungry me. If I no see and drink, I go faint.
Let me get more malt.
The malt will not get taste again. Now engine oil I want. Condemn engine oil.
Love don't always take the path you drew. Sometimes it spills into. I know the waiting feels too long, when every moment feels like a song you sung. But love don't quit and hope don't break, even in a quiet. Roots taking shape. You don't have to see it to believe it's
Hello. Yes, I am. Yes, I am pregnant. Yes. Even if I don't have a choice, I have to keep it. Yes. I have to. I'm telling you. You see, I have to pause my job and face my family. I came into this world to become a wife and a mother. So I can't jeopardize that because of my career, success, wealth, and all that right now. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. It's okay. All right, bye. God bless you.
Shh. Congratulations to us.
Thank you.
Hi, Jesus. Oh, hey. If to say no, say. Now so this belly the day I know for. In fact, I for no agree. I for no agree. Hi, Jesus.
Kosi.
Kosi, are you okay?
Kosi.
No, madam, I don't tire. Oh, I don't tire for this.
Hold on.
It be like say you go just come collect them. Come collect them.
What is it? Get up.
Kosi.
My
Can
waist.
you sit up?
Is anything
My
wrong?
waist, oh, madam, Mba.
What is
Just
the
rub
problem?
my waist first.
Okay.
Please massage her
one
waist.
boss.
Okay,
I need cold water.
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 Let me get
Please,
it.
get a good talk. Sorry. Sorry.
Madam, massage it.
I'm massaging it. Sorry. Hey, sorry.
Let me go, eh?
Sorry.
Hey.
Sorry.
I don't know as my body they do me.
How?
Remember that time when I tell you say make I go upstairs go do something. As I reach there, water begin come out from my body.
Are you sure?
Since that time, I never get myself.
Her water has broken. Please, we have to rush her to the hospital. Get up, please, get up. Get up, eh?
Please get the car key.
Okay, let me get the car keys.
Please.
Hi, madam.
Sorry.
This thing they pain.
Sorry, you'll be fine.
Madam, this thing they
You'll be
pain.
fine. You'll be fine. Sorry.
Oh!
Sorry.
They say that maybe
Aye.
Sorry.
Oh, God.
Sorry. Oh, yeah, hold me. Sorry.
Madam,
Sorry, take it easy.
Madam, na God go punish you now. Na God go punish you now for this situation where una put me inside.
Sorry.
Madam, it be like say the sperm when una put inside they get infection.
I've got the key. Please bring her to the car. Bring her to the car.
The egg and the sperm will get infection. Oh, now make body they pepper me.
Sorry. Sorry now. Baby, please. Can you do it?
Hey! The sign you say na so you dey.
Sorry.
Kosi, now. Take it easy. Before you know it now, it's all over. Once you get to the hospital, they will attend to you.
Yes. Sorry, huh? Sorry, you'll be fine. Sorry. Okay.
Wait, so Fuji, open the gate!
Sorry.
love don't always take the path you drew. Sometimes it spills into. I know the waiting feels too long.
Hey! Finally, we have come to the end of this journey and we arrived successfully. God be praised. Hell, see my baby. Let me carry my daughter. Thank you. Adamu. Adam, I will be a deserving father to you. I will give you the best life in this entire world. See my pretty daughter. Hey! Thank you, Kosi-san. Nemo! Mommy! You'll be very happy in this house. Oh!
Sit down.
Make I carry baby.
Madam, I said sit down.
I said sit. I won't carry my pikin.
I don't get.
Make I carry my pikin.
Since we came back here, you don't even want me to touch the baby. What is wrong with you? That's my baby.
I don't understand what you dey talk. No be me born am. Pikin why I born?
She is my baby.
No, but na me born am. Abeg go. I won't go carry pikin why I born. Wetin be the problem?
Kosi, calm down now.
Kosi, calm down.
Hey, no be like that now.
Calm down.
Wait, una dey try
We
talk.
just arrived home. The baby is healthy and we are here. Calm down.
I don't understand those. See the way they do me like say no be me born the pikin again. Pikin why I born? May I carry? Mwamburu. Chia. Mwo. Hey, mbanono. They come they do me like say so like this now. Much as I born am, I no go. I go there like say I no get pikin.
I thought we had a contract. We had an agreement, didn't we?
Like I don't get.
Okay,
See, calm
Now
down.
why I don't go fall in love? No tell me anything, no.
We don't discuss all those things finish. We even sign agreement to join them.
Come on, dear. You know how I feel. Don't be me carry and put. I beg close that your mouth, oh. No make me vex. Now why I don't fall in love with the pikin finish? They want collect them from me. He good? You not good now. This one where you dey talk now, I know say you just dey talk and make you chop me mugu. Next time why I go come now, make I come see this pikin, I fit no see am.
Check on who? I don't understand what you're saying. Check on who?
I don't understand you. No be me born am.
Kosi, I've told you that you will have access to the child now. Why are we making a scene here?
Baby, please, can I have the baby?
Make I carry am.
Wait now. Wait now. Why you? Let me get some refreshment.
So good, oh. My born.
Take my hand, we're building more than a house.
Kosi, I want to assure you that we both will raise this child together. Yes.
You mean
Yes. You see my gate? It will always be open for you to come in and take care of this child. She's our child. We are both her mother. So please, stop crying.
Thank you very much. Thank you. But I feel whole just one time.
Why not? As long as you want to.
Thank you. Joe. Mabo. Try. No forget me, oh. Yeah. No forget me for future.
She will not.
I be a mama too. Say, if I pikin where I born. Chai. Shebi you talk say 2 of us na im mama. We carry 2. Carry. Chai. Fine.
You look so much like me.
Well, only this nose now you get.
And the eyes.
No, now Papa gets eye. This eye for Papa, but you see this nose. Now your own be that. Hey!
Get the leg.
No, now you get them. You want make I talk? Say, come on, dear.
Give me leg.
The part you drew, sometimes it spills into.
Hi, darling.
Hi, love.
How are you?
I'm good. Oh, how's the baby?
Oh, it's Kosi.
Oh, good. You know, I'm thinking we should allow her stay a little more.
Sweetheart, are you sure this is gonna work? Because at the end of the day, she's still our child.
I know, but I don't think it would be fair to just detach them like that. Let's give her a little more time, okay?
It's fine.
Heartbeat, beating for you. Heartbeat. There's a little heartbeat.
My
Dreaming
love,
of you. Heartbeat.
I want to still say I am very sorry for all the time I chose my career over us. It's almost ruined us.
Yes, it almost did. But it's okay. Thank God we're here.
Thank you. Listen,
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
And I want to appreciate you for your patience. Yes. I want to make you a promise.
What's that?
I will make sure that I give time to take care of our children.
I trust that you won't.
I will never put you through this stress again.
It's okay.